looking like good possible opportunities on them. But personally, in the way that these some of these pairs have moved, one pair kind of makes more sense to look for that opportunity as it's in a better area than the other two. So what I mean by that, if I look at this, technically speaking, an entry signal is possibly forming, but as you can see, we're pretty low down already, right? We're not at this beginning of this channel, but we are pretty low as it is. So a lot of the move has already happened, right? Took this trade from up here, and a lot of the move has already happened as well, kind of violently as it is. Missed a trade in there. Was just in another trade, not that big of a deal. I'm trying to do just one trade, being in one trade at a time, just to get comfortable with the new strategy and everything like that. So wasn't able to take this one yesterday, and as we dropped, not a big deal. That's trading because I was in another one. I was in Euro JPY, which unfortunately ended up being a loss, and that again is trading. You're not going to take the win or the one that moves into serious profit, and you end up taking the loss. Euro JPY, you can see I took that loss here. It was really just a loss from the spread. As you can see, my stop loss is never actually tagged out, but I was tagged out at like 4 p.m. That's when the spreads get to like 14, 15 pips. So it makes sense why I was tagged out, and that's trading. Have another possible opportunity here as well. But much like Euro USD, gonna wait another hour or so at least to see if it materializes. But overall, I much prefer USD yen. We're up in this area, right? And if, like I was saying about USD JP Euro USD, right, and also Euro JPY, if those moves are kind of low, right? So specifically Euro USD, and if we look at the DXY, right, the DXY is what? It's at this third touch up here, right? And it doesn't have to turn around at this third touch. It can definitely push higher and hit this double top, or push higher and hit this third touch up here. But if the Euro USD is going to turn around, because the DXY is going to turn around, USD yen is also often going to turn around, right? And so, and if you look at it, we're very high up in this area. So if we zoom out to the daily, where are we? We have now actually gotten above this yellow line and tagged this wick up here, which is great because wicks represent liquidity in the market. And so then if we get down to see how we actually got up to tagging that wick, see 1, 2, as we push down, push back up, become very corrective as well. And then if we put these trend lines on like so, we definitely could push up higher, tag that trend line up here, take out all of this liquidity up here, right? Because we've tagged it, but we definitely could take it out up here before pushing lower, which is definitely fine as well. And if we wanted to adjust to the current market conditions and what's going on right now, we could have it like so, and then I would put in this one as well. And so at this point, I would just look for us to push lower below this low. I'm gonna look for my entry signal. So that's the pairs I'm looking at for today. Hope you enjoyed it.